The life you dream of isn't just a fantasy. It's closer than you think, and it's all thanks to the incredible power you already possess, your imagination. You might be wondering, imagination? Isn't that just for kids playing pretend? Well, what if I told you that imagination isn't just about daydreaming or escaping reality? What if it's the key to actually shaping the reality you want to live? It may sound like magic, but there's real science behind it. Let's look into the fascinating connection between your mind and the world around you. Your brain is an incredible organ, constantly forming new connections and pathways. This process, called neuroplasticity, means your brain is adaptable and can change throughout your life. And guess what? Your thoughts, your imagination, play a massive role in rewiring your brain. Imagine your brain like a garden. Every thought you have is like a seed. The more you water and nurture a particular seed, the more it grows into a flourishing plant. Similarly, the more you focus on a specific idea or desire, the stronger the neural connections associated with it become. But it's not just about positive thinking or reciting affirmations. It's about truly feeling the emotions of having what you want. It's about immersing yourself in the experience, as if it's already happening. This is where we go beyond visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool, but it's only the first step. To truly manifest your desires, you need to go deeper and tap into the emotional energy of your dream life. So, how do you do that? It all starts with understanding the 3-step formula that can help you turn your imagination into your reality. Think of your imagination as a compass. To get where you want to go, you need to know your destination. What is it that you truly desire? It's not enough to say, I want to be happy, or I want more money. Those are broad goals, but your imagination needs a clearer target. Take some time to reflect and really define your desire. What does it look like? How does it feel? What are the specific details that make it unique to you? The more clearly you can visualize and feel your desire, the easier it will be for your imagination to bring it to life. Once you have a clear picture of your desire, it's time to step into the feeling of having it. This is where the real magic happens. Close your eyes and imagine that you've already achieved your goal. What are you seeing? What are you hearing? What are you feeling? Let yourself fully experience the emotions of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment that come with having your desire. This isn't about pretending or forcing yourself to feel something you don't. It's about tapping into the genuine emotions that are already within you. Remember, your imagination isn't limited by logic or reason. It's a playground where you can create and experience anything you can dream of. The key is to make it feel real. Engage all your senses. What do you see around you? What sounds are you hearing? Who are you with? What are you wearing? What does the air smell like? The more vividly you can experience this reality in your mind, the more your brain will start to believe it's possible. And when your brain believes it, your actions will naturally align with that belief. This is where the rubber meets the road. Imagination without action is just a daydream, but action without imagination is often aimless and uninspired. The sweet spot is inspired action, taking steps that feel aligned with your vision, that move you closer to your goal, even if they seem small or insignificant. Trust your intuition and follow the breadcrumbs that your imagination leaves for you. Maybe it's a conversation you need to have, a book you need to read, or a new skill you need to learn. Remember, the universe is always conspiring to help you achieve your dreams. When you take inspired action, you open yourself up to receiving the guidance and support you need to make your vision a reality. Now you might be thinking, what if I have doubts? What if I can't fully believe that my desire is possible? Doubts and negative thoughts are natural, but they don't have to hold you back. In fact, they can even be helpful. When you acknowledge your doubts, you can address them head-on and find ways to overcome them. Think of doubt as a signpost, pointing you towards areas where you need to dig deeper and strengthen your belief. Perhaps you need more information, or maybe you need to reframe your perspective. The key is to be gentle with yourself. Don't beat yourself up for having doubts. Instead, view them as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Remember, the journey of creating your reality is a process, not an overnight transformation. It takes time, patience, and persistence, but the rewards are immeasurable. So, what does all of this look like in the real world? Are there people who have actually used their imagination to create extraordinary lives? The answer is a resounding yes. Countless individuals have harnessed the power of their imagination to manifest incredible changes in their lives. From overcoming illness and achieving financial abundance to finding love and pursuing their passions, the possibilities are endless. Imagine it like a pebble dropped in a pond. The ripples expand outward, creating a wave of positive energy that touches everything in its path. Your imagination has the power to not only transform your own life, but to make a positive impact on the world around you. When you focus on creating a better reality for yourself, you naturally become a beacon of light for others. Your actions, your words, and even your energy can inspire and uplift those around you. You might not even realize it, but your positive influence can have a ripple effect, spreading joy, hope, and possibility to others. While we come to the end of our exploration of the power of imagination, I encourage you to take a moment and reflect on what you've learned. Remember, your imagination is a gift. It's a tool that can help you create the life you desire and make a positive impact on the world. It's not about denying the challenges or difficulties you might face. It's about acknowledging them, learning from them, and using your imagination to create a better way forward. It's about trusting your intuition, taking inspired action, and believing in your own unlimited potential. So go out there and start creating the reality you want to see. The world is your canvas, and your imagination is the paintbrush. Paint a masterpiece that reflects your dreams, your desires, and your unique brilliance. Remember, the power to shape your reality lies within you. It all starts with your imagination. When you use your imagination to create positive change in your own life, you contribute to a collective shift in consciousness. This shift can inspire others to do the same, creating a domino effect of positivity that ripples across the world. Imagine a world where everyone uses their imagination to create a better future for themselves and others. Imagine a world where creativity, innovation, and compassion are the driving forces behind our actions. This is the world that we can create together, one thought, one feeling, one action at a time. While we reach the end of this video of the power of imagination, I want to leave you with a final thought. The power to shape your reality lies within you. It always has. It all starts with your imagination. Your imagination is the bridge between your dreams and your reality. It's the tool that can help you overcome obstacles, achieve your goals, and live a life that truly lights you up. It's not always easy, and there will be challenges along the way. But with patience, persistence, and a willingness to believe in yourself, you can harness the power of your imagination to create a life that is beyond your wildest dreams. So, I invite you to accept your imagination, to nurture it, and to use it to create a brighter future for yourself and the world. The possibilities are endless. It all starts with you.